Hey everyone, today we are diving into building your very own digital marketing agency. And it is a game changer. I'm talking about choosing your focus. So, grab your notepads because we've got some serious strategies to talk about. Alright, buckle up because in this step, we are not just making decisions, we are crafting the DNA of your agency. It is all about becoming a powerhouse in specific niches that resonate with your passion and market demand. Choosing your focus. Welcome to step number 3 of our journey, choosing your focus. By now, you have explored key marketing areas, and it is time to strategically narrow down your focus. Here is how. Thoughtful decision making in strategic selection. In the process of determining your focus areas, it is crucial to adapt a strategic approach. Opt for a careful selection of 2 to 3 domains that not only resonate with your personal passions, but also exhibit a notable demand in the market. Take into account the valuable insights derived from self-reflection and your exploratory journey through various marketing realms. Consider this as a mindful alignment of your interests and the prevailing market needs. Look for those intriguing intersections where your genuine excitement converges with a demonstrated demand in the market. This strategic approach ensures that your chosen areas not only a reflection of your personal enthusiasm, but also possess the potential to address and fulfill existing market requirements. By marrying your passion with market dynamics, you create a foundation that not only sustains your interest but also resonates with a broader audience, forming a symbiotic relationship between your personal fulfillment and market demand. Avoid spreading thin. In the dynamic landscape of pursuits, the allure of expanding one's efforts across various domains is undeniably appealing. However, in this pursuit of diverse interests, it becomes imperative to exercise caution and resist the temptation to spread yourself too thin, opting for a focused strategy, one that concentrates on carefully selected areas, affords you the ability to direct your finite resources, time, and energy in a more impactful manner. At its core, this approach is rooted in the principle of prioritizing quality over quantity. Rather than casting a wide net, channeling your efforts into specific niches allows for a more profound engagement with each chosen area. It is akin to investing in depth rather than breadth, cultivating a level of expertise and insights that is difficult to achieve in a scattered approach. By concentrating your endeavors within these chosen domains, you not only refine your skills but also position yourself as an authority within those realms. This strategic focus creates a ripple effect, enhancing the impact of your efforts and establishing a recognizable presence in the niches you have selected. Clients and audiences, in turn, are more likely to perceive you as a go-to resource and expert in those specific areas. Moreover, the focus approach facilitates a more efficient use of resources, allowing for a deeper exploration of the intricacies within each niche. This depth of understanding, coupled with the recognition gained as an authority, not only solidifies your professional standing but also opens up avenues for collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities that may not be as readily available in a more scattered approach. In essence, while the allure of exploring diverse areas may be tempting, strategically concentrating your efforts ensures a more impactful and sustainable trajectory. It is a conscious decision to resist the pull of overextension and, instead, cultivate a meaningful and authoritative presence within your carefully selected niches. Committing to niche mastery. Upon determining your chosen focus areas, the next pivotal step is a wholehearted commitment to becoming a recognized authority within those specific niches. This commitment is not just a professional vow, but a dedicated journey toward expertise and influence. To navigate this path successfully, it is imperative to adopt a multifaceted approach that encompasses staying attuned to industry trends, embracing continuous learning, and showcasing your expertise through tangible results and thought leadership. Staying abreast of industry trends is akin to having a finger on the pulse of your chosen niches. This involves a proactive effort to monitor evolving dynamics, emerging technologies, and shifting preferences within the realms of you have committed to. By staying updated, you position yourself as not just a practitioner, but as a knowledgeable guide capable of navigating the nuances of an ever-changing landscape. Continuous learning forms the backbones of niche mastery. This involves an ongoing investment in your skill set, staying ahead of the curve through workshops, courses, and industry certifications. Commitment to learning is not only a testament to your dedication, but also a strategic move to ensure that your expertise remains current and relevant. Demonstrating your expertise is a multifaceted endeavor. Tangible results, such as successful projects, satisfied clients, or measurable achievements within your chosen niches, serves as a powerful testimonials to your proficiency. Additionally, thought leadership, sharing your insights, perspectives, and unique approaches through content creation, speaking engagements, or industry publications further solidifies your position as an authority. Clients are naturally drawn to specialists who exhibit a deep understanding and proven success within specific areas. Your commitment to niche mastery becomes a magnet for those seeking not just generic services, but specialized solutions backed by a wealth of knowledge and a track record of success. In essence, becoming an authority in your chosen niches is not a static achievement, but a dynamic journey. It involves a persistent commitment to staying informed, a continuous quest for knowledge, and a proactive demonstration of your expertise through both tangible outcomes and thought leadership. Through this holistic approach, you not only solidify your professional standing, but also cultivate a magnetic allure for clients who recognize and value the depth of your specialization. Market validation. Validate your voices or choices by ensuring there is sustained market demand. A niche must be appealing. Or should I say, a niche might be appealing, but it is essential to assess whether businesses are actively seeking services in those areas. Conduct market research and stay tuned to industry shifts to validate your chosen focus. Strategic vision for the long haul. As you embark on the journey of establishing your agency, it is crucial to extend your gaze beyond the immediate horizon and consider the long-term vision. Contemplate how your carefully chosen niches align with the anticipated trajectory of the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. This forward-thinking approach not only underscores the importance of your current choices, but also sets the stage for a strategic alignment that propels your agency toward sustained success in the long haul. A fundamental aspect of crafting a long-term vision involves an insightful examination of how your chosen niches resonate with the broader shifts and trends anticipated in the digital marketing realm. Are these niches aligned with emerging technologies, evolving consumer behaviors, and anticipated industry transformations? By aligning your focus areas with the future landscape, you position your agency as a proactive player rather than a reactive one. Choosing focus areas with long-term viability is akin to making investments in assets that appreciate over time. It involves a deliberate selection of niches that not only hold relevance in the present but also exhibit the potential for enduring significance. This strategic foresight shields your agency from the pitfalls of short-lived trends, positioning it as a stable and adaptive entity capable of weathering the dynamic shifts in the digital marketing ecosystem. Furthermore, consider the scalability and adaptability of your chosen niches. How easily can your agency pivot and grow within these areas as the digital landscape continues to evolve? A forward-looking vision involves not only choosing niches that align with current trends, but also ensuring that they offer room for expansion and evolution in response to future developments. In essence, crafting a long-term vision for your agency is an exercise in strategic anticipation. It involves aligning your chosen niches with the anticipated trajectory of the digital marketing landscape, ensuring they possess the resilience and relevance needed for sustained success. This forward-thinking approach positions your agency not just a participant in the current digital landscape, but as a proactive architect shaping its future. As you make these decisions, remember that the journey of discovering your niche is not static. It is a dynamic process that may evolve as your agency grows and the industry changes. Stay tuned as we move forward, delving into the next step that will guide you in establishing your agency as a specialized and sought-after player in the digital marketing realm. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master agency growth, strategies for scaling your digital marketing expertise part 1. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.